Hello friends, this is the next part of a string video. Now continue from there. String method. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on string. First, the strip. This remove white space from the beginning or the end of a string. Now see, I will add white space over here and over here. Now we will see the result. There is no white space from starting to end. Okay, now moving on to the next method. The lower method return the string into a lowercase. Here h character and w character are in uppercase. Now it will return the whole string in the lowercase, and here the rest from h and w all are in lowercase. It will return this all in a capital K. See, hello world. And now we will see a replace. This method replace a string with the another string. Now let's replace the world with my name. See, hello Shubham. And next is split. This method split the string into substring if it find instance of a separator. As we can see here, the separator is a comma mark. We'll pass it and it will return the rest. Hello separated with the world. And if you will put more string to it, a good. Now see the result. These all are separated. Then move on to the next. Is a strip. It will remove all the white spaces from backward and from front of a string. So this is all for the today. Thank you.